Mr. Isahaku Yakubu Adombila, a resident of Bogatanga, capital of Yapa East region, has invented a technology to help prevent spread of the novel coronavirus pandemic in the region. Our correspondent Samuel Ayama has more in this report.
The novel coronavirus pandemic is gradually destroying economies across the globe. This same pandemic is bringing out Ghanaian ingenuity. Many Ghanaians are beginning to put innovative measures in place to survive this pandemic. One of such innovation is what we are seeing here. This is a touchless hand washing facility where you can wash your hands without touching any of these parts of the material. Before I even get to speak with the inventor, let me give it a trial.
Wet your hands first. Okay, it's okay. And now you come to the soap. Step and leave, step and leave. It's okay. Now, let him show that you are going to soap here.
Now tell us, what necessitated this move?
Thank you very much. I thank God for what God have used me to do. Like as I said, because of the COVID-19, we are supposed to wash with our hands with soap and water. And we are not supposed to be closer to each other. We are not supposed to be shaking hands. And if someone touches somewhere, you are not supposed to touch it immediately. So I think that normally where we use to wash our hands, that we can easily get it there because someone will hold the tap or to hold where the liquid soap will be and use it before you also come and use. If the person is infected, you will also be infected. So I decided to bring this event to help the whole, I would say the whole nation, so that don't touch anything before they can wash their hands with soap and water. That's why I brought this machine.
Okay, thank you very much. I also have a resident in the region who also like to share with us his take on these equipment that we are all witnessing here.
Thank you very much. I think this is a fantastic, innovative and creative product that is totally different from those that are in the system. What touches me is that it appears to be an adequate response to the call for proper hand washing. And it is a product that does not use solar. It's a product that does not use electricity. It's a product that does not use battery or whatever. So it means it can be used in the urban area as well as the rural area. And it is something that human contact is minimal, because those that are in the system, you see people going to take their hands and take the soap liquid. From there, they use the hands to open the tap. This one, human contact is still there. So this is something that I think if it can completely eliminate human contact, and which is an effective way of containing and preventing the spread of this deadly pandemic called COVID-19.
Okay. The news team too, on our rounds to the various villages or the rural areas, we observed that they lack hand washing facilities, and we are of the belief that if this equipment is sent to the various villages, it will go a long way to stem the spread of the COVID-19. For GBC News, Samuel Ayama reporting, Boga.